Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, honorable ministers, members of the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me begin by thanking you, Madam President, for the warm welcome extended to me and my delegation. It is always a pleasure to be here. Today, the President and I had very constructive discussions building on the long-standing relationship between our two countries. Nakushukuru sana Mheshimiwa Rais na Watanzania wote kwa kudumisha ujirani mwema na undugu kati ya nchi zetu. Tanzania ni kiungo muhimu si tu kwa Rwanda, lakini kwa majirani wengine pia. Bandari ya Dar es Salaam ni mfano moja tu wa maeneo mengi ya kiuchumi muhimu sana kwa nchi zetu. Mheshimiwa Rais, tunalo jukumu kwa niaba ya wananchi wetu kuhakikisha tunaendeleza na kuimarisha ushirikiano kati ya nchi zetu na Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki kwa ujumla. Tanzania is indeed a key partner for Rwanda. Over the years, we have strengthened our partnership across many sectors, particularly trade and logistics, facilitating Rwanda's connections to global markets. The President and I discussed how to build further on this foundation, ensuring that our systems are well equipped to manage the growing volume of business between our two countries. We're encouraged by the progress already achieved and look forward to the full implementation of our joint projects. Our collaboration within the East African Community and the African Union anchors this work in a wider framework of regional integration. At this time of geopolitical uncertainty, our region must remain focused and united around a shared vision of prosperity and cooperation. Rwanda is currently in the period of commemoration of genocide against the Tutsi of 1994. But we shall soon have the opportunity to publicly recognize some Tanzanian citizens whose actions during that time demonstrated exceptional heroism and compassion. Madam President, Rwanda is determined to work closely with Tanzania for the benefit of all our citizens. As for other important issues we discussed, Madam President, I want to say you have well and fully covered them. And for us, we are looking forward to working with you and your team of leaders to move our development agenda, the development agenda of Tanzania and Rwanda together forward at full speed. Let me again, Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your kind attention.
Damoke TV.